What if I told you that you could own nearly half an acre in Port Saint Lucie, with a pool, no HOA, and room for your boat, all in a prime location? Welcome to 1934 Southeast Kickers Road, a rare property that gives you space, flexibility, and true Florida lifestyle living. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 2,000 square feet, but the real value is the combination of land and freedom. You're sitting on a 0.45-acre elevated lot, on a quiet street with no through traffic. No HOA means bring your boat, RV, or extra vehicles, you've got the space for it. You're also just 6 minutes to the boat ramp, about 30 minutes to the beach and deep-sea fishing, and surrounded by golf courses within 10 miles. The backyard is built for Florida living, 36 by 16 pool. Screened enclosure. Large deck with sun and shade. Plenty of space to entertain. Cabana bathroom for easy pool access. Inside, you'll find tile flooring throughout. Updated kitchen with high-end appliances. Spacious living and dining area. Primary suite with walk-in closet. And a Dolby Atmos-ready theater room. Plus, major updates are already done. 2019 roof. 2019 AC. Hurricane-ready construction with accordion shutters. Plus, you're close to restaurants and shopping. Clover Park is the home of the Mets spring training. Easy access to I-95 and the Florida Turnpike. About 45 minutes to Palm Beach International Airport, making travel simple. If you're thinking about buying on the Treasure Coast, reach out, I'd love to show you this home. Because remember, it's more than a home, it's your lifestyle.